When you're traveling for a production, every bit of gear you bring matters. Traditionally, external hard drives only let you store media, but when it comes to your workflow, you need more than storage. You need to tag, organize, and transcode those shots, and securely share them with the rest of your team so that collaborators back home can preview and access those files. Mod is the compact, travel-friendly, shared storage server and cloud edge device purpose-built for media production teams. Weighing just 7 pounds, this award-winning workflow solution fits in your backpack, so it's ready to go wherever you go. And it comes with the entire EVO suite of software tools, including a powerful and easy-to-use media asset manager, a secure and convenient remote workflow, and automations for transcoding, file sharing, cloud backups, and more, all included for unlimited users. Mod is fast enough to edit on, convenient to travel with, and ready for your next creative adventure. Learn more at snsevo.com.